Hi guys, my name is Irfan Shabuddin Sheikh. I am studying Israel Polytechnic Pune and Diploma Civil Engineering. In this PPT, we learn topic of state the manufacturing process of bricks and the subject is construction material. This project done by Patule Sejal and me and guided by Professor Shailesh Pandey sir. Like what we see in this PPT, manufacturing of bricks. First preparation of bricks, earth, molding of bricks, drying of bricks, and burning of bricks. First is preparation of clay, removal of loose soil. The top layer of loose soil about 20 cm depth contain lots of impurities like vegetations, pebbles, and other organic materials. Next, digging, spreading, and cleaning. The earth is then dug from the ground about 50 cm to 150 cm. Weathering or seasoning. The earth is dug from the ground about 50 cm to 150 cm. Tempering of clay. The clay is then mixed with the ingredients. Next is molding. Two types of molding: hand molding and machine molding. What is molding? Molding is the structure of any things or material to make this statue or structure of bricks. First is hand molding. When molding is done with hand, known as hand molding. Hand molding means when we use hand to done the molding is called hand molding. Rectangular wooden mold is used to make a brick. For make a brick, we use rectangular mold for the making of bricks. Next is machine molding. The clay is placed in the machine known as machine molding. The clay is placed in the machine known as machine molding. It is cut to brick by using steel wire. In this machine molding, we can make one time large number of bricks in this machine molding. Next is drying of bricks. It is essential before burning of bricks because wet bricks contain 7 to 30% moisture. So in this method, bricks are allowed to dry up to moisture content of 5 to 7% drying of bricks. Time period is 48 hours. Next is burning of bricks. It is very important operation to make the bricks hard, durable and dense. When temperature during the burning reaches 650 degrees Celsius, then water is start to remove but the burning process is not completed. At this stage, the final temperature will be for proper burning of bricks 1100 degrees Celsius. In this burning of bricks, two types, clamp and clean. In clamp, these are the temporary structure used for the burning of bricks on a small quantity to fill the local demand. And next is kiln. These are permanent structure designed more scientifically to burn the bricks on large quantity. In clamp, it is a temporary structure used for burning of bricks and make a small quantity of. In the kiln, these are permanent structure for scientifically and burn the bricks on large quantity. Next picture we will you see the burning of bricks. How to burning of bricks you can see in this picture. Next is kiln. Two types of kiln. First is intermittent kiln and second is continuous kiln. In the first intermittent kiln, in this kiln the operation of burning of bricks is not continuous. Stages are loading, firing, cooling and unloading. In the continuous kiln, in this kiln the operation of burning of bricks are continuous, so loading, preheating, burning, cooling and unloading are carried out of continuously. You can see in the intermittent kiln three types of kiln: typical clamp kiln, typical sol kiln and typical scotch kiln. In the next slide, continuous kiln, Bull's trench kiln and Hoffman's kiln. It is two types of kilns you can see in this picture. Thank you.